In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blunt cut bob from start to finish. First, get yourself a wig cap. Mine was $3.99 and I found it at my local beauty supply store. And of course, a wig making head and some pins. For this bob, I am going to use this beauty supply store hair that I watercolored jet black, which of course I have a quick video about, which I'll link down below, so check that out. First, start with the shortest bundle. Here I am using my 10-inch bundle. Start by sewing through the weft 3 or 4 times before moving on by sewing under the weft. Then, sew through the track few times before cutting the weft. Now position up and do the same. Start by sewing through the weft few times. Then move on by sewing under the wefts. Sew through the track few times. And finally tuck the weft. Now listen to the music as you watch me work my way up. Take your time and tightly sew. And here I am working with a 12-inch bundle. So this is how the wig looks thus far. So now you have to work towards the U parts. Sew it the same way you've been sewing, except leaving smaller spaces between the tracks. get to the center of the line, you can stop. After sewing, this is how the wig should look. The next step is to straighten the hair. And now it's time to snip, snip, snip. Take a piece of hair from the deepest part of the U parts, stretch it down, and visually mark and cut the hair straight across. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but it can be cleaned up after. And now, using that as a guide, cut the rest. After that, you can clean it up and finish the product. To finalize everything, you can cut the U part. Now, as you can see, there's some thread, so you have to cut around because obviously you don't want to unravel it. And voila, the wig is made!